Pero no sé si tiene rayos al lado y todo. Claro, sí fue. La placa de una. La placa.
Hi.
Yeah, it is. It is.
La placa. La placa.
Hey, so today's August the 5th, and this car just like crashed my car pretty bad on the rear side.
You hit our car.
And
Can you drive your car?
The tow truck?
Can you drive your car now or no?
no,
No, look at
it's
it.
totally
The back
gone.
wheels
The,
popped.
the rear tier is totally gone. Like it's like broken.
Like
the
she
ax-
smashed her wheels broken too. I don't know how. Yours literally sticking out.
No, it's all the car. Is the door? Look at the door. Try to open the door. You see? It was totally hit. My beautiful baby. Alright, so this happened tonight,
Yeah, the
August
door
the
fucked up.
5th,
Dude, this is all
right here
fucked up.
in front of Pixonista.